Hi viewers, welcome to Ambergate railway station in Derbyshire. Single line track. That way goes to Matlock, East Midlands Railway. And that way goes to Belper and Derby, I believe. Also the East Midlands Railway. I don't know who that is in the background, I'm sure. The Derwent Valley Line, there you go. What's that, class 156? Your adventure starts here, boys and girls. Right, where are we? We are here, Ambergate, look. We've been to Cromford. And that goes to Derby, yeah. Quite a lot of flowers about. All them trees up there, cool. And the train track goes right round there. Right, we're waiting for the train now, shall we? Hi viewers, welcome to Ambergate railway station in Derbyshire. Single line track. That way goes to Matlock, East Midlands Railway. And that way goes to Belper and Derby, I believe. Also the East Midlands Railway. I don't know who that is in the background, I'm sure. The Derwent Valley Line, there you go. What's that, class 156? Your adventure starts here, boys and girls. Right, where are we? We are here, Ambergate, look. We've been to Cromford. And that goes to Derby, yeah. Quite a lot of flowers about. All them trees up there, cool. And the train track goes right round there. Right, we're waiting for the train now, shall we? emissions train, this one is. What class is it? It's a 531, look. Going to Nottingham. Low emissions trains. Class 531. That's a new one for the book, isn't it? Off he goes to Nottingham. Hi viewers, here we are now at a place called Whatstandwell train station in Derbyshire. It's the next station along from Ambergate station, heading towards Matlock. Again, it's a single line track, East Midlands Railways. And that way goes to Matlock, and that way goes to Derbyshire, Nottingham, Derby, that way, belper. I'm right here for the National Tramway Museum. It's a long walk from here, must be about 2 or 3 miles. There is a train due in about 10 minutes, so we'll wait for the train, okay? Right. I think it's a 2-carriage train, East Midlands Railway train, going to Matlock actually. And here's the good old ticket machine, cash and card payments. That is one heck of a steep staircase on the other side of that bridge. You've got to be fit and healthy to get up them steps, I'll tell you now. I have a bridge like this in the next station along the line, which is Cromford, I believe. I've seen that bridge before in Cromford, which is through the tunnel. This railway line is situated on a main road, as you can hear in the background. Lorries going hurtling by, cars and motorbikes as well. And here comes the train. 2 carriages. Yep. That's a class 5 3 I believe. East Midlands Railway. Hi viewers, welcome to Belper train station. How are we going to get down that hill? It's a long way down, isn't it? Cool, I can't get down there. How about we stand here for a minute? Wait for the train, eh? Double track railway. The nearest track is going to Matlock, and the other side platform is going to Derby, I believe. That's quite a steep hill, getting up and down that. That train didn't want to stop, did he? Any more trains coming? Any more trains coming? Looks like a class 158. Going to Nottingham. We are at Ambergate station. Single line track. So the driver's gone to get his special key, I think. Train needs a wash. He's ringing through, is he ringing through, is he? I think he's ringing through to let him know he's here, I'm not sure. Ken from Butley might know what he's doing. Yeah, he's rung through to say he's here on his way to Derby. If that was a car, he's failed his MOT. He's only got one headlight working. I go to Nottingham. That way to Nottingham and Derby, yep. This train's going to Matlock, class 534. Class 534 going to Matlock. Quite busy today. Must be the sunshine. Looks like a lady driver. East Midlands Railway 534 off to Matlock.